When alphabets were alien to me, you were there. When my hands shook while writing, you took them to your care. The times when you teach me how to stand in a queue and the manners with which I speak today is only because of you. You held me when the winds blew strong, and the way you punished me when I went wrong. You are the reason why I am me today. So, why should I dedicate to you just this day? For me, every moment is a teacher's day. People will leave, but your teachings will stay. To all my teachers, parents, friends who have taught me something in some way, all that I have to say is Happy Teacher's Day.
Say to all the teachers of MI Vikram. Teachers inspire hope, ignite imagination, and instill the love of learning. A special thanks to Giren sir for his hard work and dedication towards me. He has inspired me every day. Happy Teachers Day, sir. Thank you.
The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength is our teachers. Today is Teachers' Day, a day that kept aside to celebrate, to honor all the gifted souls that work every day to ensure that our future is better. On this beautiful occasion, I would like to thank you to all my teachers who was always there for me, especially in this pandemic where all of us are in our home but our teachers are still there with us. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Shinjini Chatterjee, a student of Mivigyan Academy, and I've been studying in Mivigyan Academy for 1.5 years now. This 1.5 years has been completely different for me in Mivigyan Academy. Chemistry, which is often regarded as one of the toughest subjects because it requires a lot of mugging up, and it has been completely different because Giren sir teaches us how to approach a problem more accurately and efficiently rather than completely mugging up the whole book. Secondly, Ankan sir has really helped me to overcome my fears in physics, and I'm really blessed to be a part of this academy, and I feel this 1.5 years experience has been really nice for me in this academy. Thank you so much.
Hello, sir. First of all, a very happy Teachers' Day. This is the only day in the whole year where we can express how thankful we are to have you in our lives. All the hard work that you put in behind us so that we could get more good marks, we could succeed, means a lot. Thank you for inspiring and encouraging us each and every single day. We'll always be grateful for your support. And once again, a very happy Teachers' Day. Have a great day, sir.
Wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day, sir. Though I am a new member to Me Vigyan Academy and to you, but I would love to say that you are one of the best teachers I've ever met till date. My first acquaintance with you was on this virtual platform only, but I would love to say that irrespective of all pros and cons, your virtual classes came out to be really enjoyable. We love your enthusiastic and lively nature, and I appreciate the way you are, professional and friendly at the same time. I wish that you stay like this forever. Stay happy, keep smiling, enjoy the days.
Hello everyone, wishing you Sharon ma'am, all of you in Mivigyan Academy with joy and happiness. Happy Teachers' Day. It is my honor to talk about my dearest teachers in this wonderful occasion. As we all know that we celebrate 5th September Teachers' Day every year in India. September 5th is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and the Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday. Teachers are the spark, the inspiration, the guide, the candle of my life. Many essential books, knowledge, homeworks we get from our teacher. So they are the pillar of my life. I am deeply thankful that they are my teacher. Thank you very much.
I'm grateful to all my teachers for accepting me as a part of your class. I know I have not always made things easy for you, and I am not as consistent as the other students in the studies, But still, for encouraging me and helping me in my studies, I want to thank all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day.
We all know that teaching is the only one profession that creates all other professions. Firstly, thank you for continuously inspiring me to do my best. You helped me strive for my goals. I found guidance, discipline, friendship and love, everything in you. And really in this pandemic I miss you too. And seriously, I am grateful to be your student. Happy Teachers Day.
I thank you for being such an amazing, great teacher and for all those great lessons you taught us. It's really helpful. I feel so fortunate to have been placed in your classes.
Inspired me on keep going on my studies. I am very grateful to your kind attention and help. You have shown me the path for my better future.
Hi everyone, this is Sheikh Jamil Alam from Mivigan Academy. I've been studying in Mivigan Academy for 6 months now. I've been enjoying studying here. Jiran sir helped me overcome my fears of chemistry. Ankan sir made physics a lot easier to understand. Understanding maths with Devaprasad sir was like playing with numbers. Being a part of Mivigan Academy was really helpful and it was a great experience for me.
All kids need is a little hope and somebody who can believe in them. You offered help, believed in us, and watered our hope. Thank you for challenging me to my best and instilling in me a passion for learning to excel. Thank you, sir. Happy Teachers' Day.
All of you for your kind efforts taken for our better future. Today, 5th September, is the birth date of second President of Independent India, Sir Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. We celebrate this day as Teachers' Day in his true belief that teachers should be the best mind in the country and they are the backbone to build a better nation. Thank you to everyone, especially my teachers, for teaching to solve every kind of problems in academics and life. I'm really thankful. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Srija De, a student of Mivigan Academy. I have been in this academy for half a year now, but honestly, this half a year had taught me a lot. I remember how organic chemistry with its sums and equations would completely drive me out in class 11, but Giren sir, the director and founder of Mivigan Academy, has helped me a lot in coping up with it and restoring my confidence in it. Secondly, Ankan sir, who is a very efficient and experienced teacher of Mivigan Academy, has helped me a lot in coping up with the difficulties of physics. Moreover, they are also helping me and guiding me a lot in preparing for my competitive exams like NEET and Z Main. Therefore, I feel very happy and blessed to be a part of Mivigan Academy, and I wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.